So we're here with Mark Battisti. He's the owner of QPoint Robotics, and we have partnered with him bringing the creaform systems with the robotic systems together and creating a tool that allows you to just trace a robotic path and place it right into the system. So Mark's going to share a little bit more information about that.
Yeah, so the creaform systems are awesome. In addition to doing all the scanning and the metrology work, the same tools can be used to teach. So you can share this among multiple robot systems, calibrate the work frame, very easy, straightforward within the tools, and then you basically just take this guy and you draw whatever shape you want, and it makes the path. So once you've got this calibrated, this can be done in the robot area. You could also have the tracing happen in a different room altogether and then translate that data up to the robot. So if you have a robot that's operating in a dangerous environment, or you don't want to bring production down just to do teaching, it can be done in a remote area as well, which just helps leverage it even more. So we'll show you how this works.
Cool, thanks.
Yep, taking this guy and moving it right around. So if we'll start here, you can see the numbers updating, the positions automatically adding, and you can set how tight you want the positions to be added, or so for really fine motion you can have a really small density. For a little more coarse type things, you can control all that as you need. But you can see all I'm doing is just moving this around about as easy as you can. So cutting, dispensing, whatever it would be. And here we're tracing in a flat area, but of course it also follows up and around the surface too. So once you have the positions taught, you're also able to just kind of jog around and just test the motion as well. So you can just, by stepping through each of the different coordinates that are added to it, lots of things you can do to adjust the positions, add extra points, adjust them as you go along. If you look at them, you want to maybe slide one around a little bit. All that's possible. Can be done using the probe to add a new position, or also with the hand guidance you can drive the robot around as well. And of course you can still use the robot's teach pendant. So there's plenty of tools for editing the motion. What we're going to do now is select that cut path. We're going to go into the power editor. What we're going to do is we're going to tell it just to drop in a little bit deeper. And so I can set this up to say, let's go about 5 millimeters deeper into the surface, and I can apply that to the entire process. If I wanted to save that rule, I just hit this button right here, and I'm going to call it deeper cut. And now that I have that established, at any time an operator can apply an adjustment to just offset the whole path in very human readable words instead of a bunch of robot mumbo jumbo. So I've made that adjustment. Now everything's dropped in a little bit deeper, still got the same overall shape. All right, so now we get ready and go.